everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a face mask review. It's a turmeric face mask from ANAIRUI. Hopefully I'm saying that right one of these times. So it's a turmeric face mask, clay face mask. So I'm really hoping that it's going to pull out a bunch of impurities in my skin because I got a bunch of them. My skin's been really terrible since COVID because we have to wear our masks all the time. So I'm really excited about this mask. So it comes in this cute little jar. They give you a spatula and everything. And here's the ingredients on the back in case you guys want to know. By the way, all of the information, it will be down in the description box. This is what it looks like. It's not coming off very well on camera, but it's like a nice yellow color from the turmeric. And I'm just showing you my skin here. As you can see kind of up close, I have some actually a lot of old acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Right there is actually a massive pimple that is very red and horrible, but it's not coming across on camera that well. But I'm really hoping that it will pull that right on out, because when I get those, they're super painful. So this is what it looks like. If you get this mask, please don't be like me and slather it on very thickly, because it tells you on the box that you should just use a small amount, and I realize why, is so it can dry down and pull the impurities out of your skin in 20 minutes. But as you'll see later on in the video, mine was a little bit thicker than I wanted it to be. So here's what it looks like. See how thick it is? Yeah. So it felt really amazing on my skin though. As soon as I put it on, there was a cooling effect. Like I said, put it on and leave it for 20 minutes. This was after 20 minutes, and like I said earlier, the reason why you put on a small amount is so that it can dry. This should look more dark, but because it was still wet in some areas after 20 minutes, there you go. So I used a warm washcloth just to take it all off, and it came off pretty easy. It didn't tug my skin, and I didn't feel any irritation. I actually felt that my skin was more moisturized. I could tell from just one use that my skin was brighter. The pimple didn't go away, but it was a little less red, and I actually used this mask 2 nights in a row, and the morning after, so that would be this morning, the pimple was gone. So that's exciting. But yeah, I really feel like this mask really just pulled out a bunch of acne that was like underneath and like hard to get out, and it just like brought it to the top